The world's biggest solar-powered vessel has anchored in St. John's Harbor, and many observers agree it's one of the strangest-looking vessels they've ever seen. It's already crossed the globe once, but this is its northernmost position so far. And along the way, the boat is gathering lots of data on the sea and climate change. Our Vicadopia took a tour and has this report.
Stealthily gliding across St. John's Harbor, the MS Touranor Planet Solar has no combustion engine, no emissions, and makes little noise. Wherever the boat docks, it causes a spectacle, as it did in Rabat, Morocco back in May.
When we entered the harbor, people told us that some people has been calling the police station to say that an airplane was on the water and they didn't know what to do.
This isn't the first green-powered trip across the ocean for Daboville. The French adventurer was the first to row solo across both the Atlantic and Pacific. This trip is powered by half a square kilometer of solar panels.
Most of these panels can slide out, and you discover some other under, so we can double the surface.
The energy collected by the solar panels is stored in these floats on either side of the catamaran. In each of them are 5 tons of lithium-ion batteries.
It's amazing. I mean, it's very exciting. I mean, I learned a lot of new things.
For scientists from the University of Geneva, this is a research trip of a lifetime. They're testing the changing components of the ocean and how they interact with the Gulf Stream. But they've never had such perfect field conditions like this before.
We don't have like our own emission, and we don't have any deflect from the data. I mean, everything we measure is come from the nature. It's not zero come from the boat.
An impressive sight nonetheless for onlookers, including a naval architect from St. John's. Kevin Strowbridge says solar-powered commercial vessels are still a long way off.
The amount of square footage that it needs to generate the energy, plus the maintenance and the care that's going to be taken to make sure you don't damage it with your cargo and with your normal ship operations would make this quite a feat.
The boat is equipped with an old-fashioned backup generator just in case, but the sun has been generous this voyage so far. Vicadopia, CBC News, St. John's.